I will compare the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 with iPhone XS Max. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 6.5 inches LTP LED display and success ratio 19:5:9. iPhone XS Max 6.5 inches Super Retina LED display and success ratio 19:5:9. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 run on the Android 15 operating system. iPhone XS Max run on the S12 operating system. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 it comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB 512GB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor 8GB and 930. iPhone XS Max it comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB 256GB 512GB 1TB internal storage. Apple A12 Bionic processor adds Apple graphic GPU. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 real set triple camera setup 48 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 48 megapixel front camera 12 megapixel. iPhone XS Max real set dual camera setup 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel front camera 7 megapixel. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 5000 mAh battery 30 watt fast charging support. iPhone XS Max 3174 mAh battery 20 watt fast charging support.